Hello friends, this is the Tech Bite. Let's have today's bite. Friends, Microsoft rolls out Windows 10 Cumulative Update 14,393.953 to production for PC and mobile. After skipping Patch Tuesday last month, Microsoft is today rolling out a huge new cumulative update for Windows 10 that includes both patches that were originally scheduled for February and new ones for March. The update in question brings the anniversary update build number to 14,393.953 on both PC and mobile. This update is not rolling out for insiders running Redstone 2. The update in question is called KB40134229. Here's the changelog. Addressed known issue called out in KB32133986. Users may experience delays while running 3D rendering apps with multiple monitors. Addressed issue in KB32133986 where the cluster service may not start automatically on the first reboot after applying the update. Addressed issue where the Active Directory Administrative Center (ADAC) crashes when attempting to modify any attribute of any user account in Active Directory. Addressed issue where the Japanese input method editor is leaking graphics device interface resources, which causes Windows to disappear or only partially render after typing approximately 100 sentences. Addressed an issue which improves the reliability of Enable Cluster's 2D PowerShell CMD-let. Addressed an issue where the Virtual Machine Management Service, VMMS.X, may crash during a live migration of virtual machines. Improved the bandwidth of SSD, NVMe drives available to application workloads during S2D rebuild operations. Addressed issue where work folders clients get duplicate files, sync conflict files, when work folders is configured using group policy. Addressed an issue where remote desktop servers crash with a stop 0x27 in RX select and switch paging Philly object when RDP clients connect and utilize redirected drives, printers, or removable USB drives. Addressed issue where adjusting the Windows Server Update Services settings using the group policy feature causes downloads to fail. Addressed issue to hardcode Microsoft's first-party provider registry key values. Addressed issue that causes the System Preparation (SysPrep) tool to fail. Addressed issue that causes Office 2016 profile corruption when used with User Experience Virtualization (UEV) roaming. Addressed issue that causes the Local Security Authority subsystem service to become unresponsive after upgrading the OS. Addressed issue that causes the Local Security Authority subsystem service to fail when a SAP registered sign application uses transport layer security authentication. Addressed issue where sequencing large registries using the application virtualization 5.1 sequencer results in missing registry keys in the final package. Addressed issue that fails to retain the sort order of names in a contact list after a device restarts when using the Japanese language. Addressed issue that causes transactions to fail because of a memory shortage. Addressed issue that allows files that are forbidden by the security zone setting to be opened in Internet Explorer. Addressed issue that causes Internet Explorer 11 to fail after installing KB31754443. Addressed issue that causes applications that use the VB script engine to fail after applying KB31855319. Addressed issue that occurs in Internet Explorer when the CSS float style is set to center in a web page. Addressed issue that occurs whenever the multipath I/O attempts to log I/O statistics with no paths present. Addressed issue that causes a 32-bit static root added by a VPN solution to fail, which prevents users from establishing a connection through the VPN. Addressed issue that may decrease performance by up to 50% when Ethernet adapters that support receive-side scaling (RSS) fail to re-enable RSS after a fault or system upgrade. Addressed issue to allow wildcards in the allowed list field for the point and print restrictions group policy. Addressed issue with multipath I/O failure that can lead to data corruption or application failures. Addressed issue that can lead to system failure when removing a multipath I/O ID_entry. Addressed issue that occurs when a network driver interface specification function in DISM-FreeSHARED memory is not called at the correct interrupt request level. Addressed issue to utilize the proper service vault for Azure backup integration. Addressed issue where SQL Server takes 30 minutes to shut down on machines with a lot of RAM, greater than 2 terabytes. Addressed additional issues with updated time zone information, Internet Explorer, file server and clustering, wireless networking, map apps, mobile upgrades for IoT, display rendering, USB 2.0 safe removal, multimedia, Direct 3D, Microsoft Edge, enterprise security, Windows Server update services, storage networking, remote desktop, clustering, Windows Hyper-V, and Credential Guard. Security updates to Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Graphics Component, Internet Information Services, Windows SMB Server, Microsoft Windows PDF Library, Windows Kernel Mode Drivers, Microsoft Unscribe, the Windows Kernel, DirectShow, the Windows OS, and Windows Hyper-V. After skipping a month of updates due to some issues, Microsoft is back in full force providing new security patches to Windows 10 with this March 2017 Patch Tuesday release. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Friends, I need your support to create best quality content. So, please like, share and subscribe now.